Hello, this is a Porsche 2011 Cayenne base model. And the big thing that kind of triggered me was on this engine. It's a great engine, but it didn't have a dipstick. Now, it does now, but before then, it had this plug. And Porsche, evidently, when you took it in for an oil change and paid, I don't know, a couple $100 for an oil change, they'd pull this plug out and they had some special device that went down in there, basically a dipstick. It had a chain on it. I've seen it in a operators, or excuse me, a procedures for a repair manual. And basically it's a dipstick. So what I did was I removed this part, which has rubber pieces on it. And of course it snapped in half. So that's another story. I had to do a little bit of surgery to pull it out with drilling a hole in it and putting a sheet metal screw and pulling it out. But anyways, I went ahead and bought another one. And of course my Porsche dealership didn't have one because why would they? A $5 part. But anyways, if they really do pull these out, but that's what they're supposed to do. So what I did was I bought a 957 dipstick, plugged right in, and it's dead on. It matches to the digital display. And so now when I change my oil or add a quart or whatever, I will know instantly if I put too much in or not enough, and I don't have to wait like 20 minutes for it to finally say all is good. And so now I can feel comfortable with my oil changes. You know, if sometimes you drain a car and not all the oil comes out and you thought you did, and then you overfill it, and then you have to drive this thing around for 30 minutes for it to heat up and find out that it's overfilled. And that wouldn't be good. I know there's a lot of people out there that love these sensors, but I truthfully think the dipstick is the way to go. There's nothing wrong with it having both, but not having the dipstick and just going purely by the computer, I think is way wrong. I think Porsche seems to be following BMW's footsteps on a lot of stuff. I noticed their new cars, their automatics setup looks a lot like BMW's for Porsches. I don't like that direction, but that is what it is. But so if you want one, I'll see if I can find the part number, but it's a 957 dipstick. And the part number here that that's the stopper guide. There it is from Porsche. And it was $12. So, of course, it was from Porsche dealership. Probably could have got it on Amazon for $5. And that's it. So you can put a dipstick on a newer Porsche, modern Porsche. Definitely can be done. I would be quite surprised if any of the other models didn't have it, because the dealership would have to fill. And most engines that I've rebuilt, like this 928 and 87, when I pulled out the dipstick, it was just held in by one screw, and on the base of the dip, I guess you'd say the sheath, and then it was held in with a rubber grommet, and then just like up here, it's held in to keep vacuum or whatnot with the rubber seal as well. So I've had this in for 3 years, no problems. And the measurement, I was worried about it might be a little bit off, and I have to make a little bit of adjustment to the dipstick so I know what is full and what's middle, but it's dead on. I mean, it matches it perfectly. So I couldn't be any happier. So hopefully this helps you out there. Thanks. Bye.